Alright, our first song.
That's a town thing?
No. Oh, I remember. Live and learn, live and learn.
City Escape, moving on. River City Ransom? Nope.
That'd be fun.
Game Boy 1.
Ah.
Oh, man.
Number 3. Yes. That's yours. Yes.
Damn.
I knew it. You're right. Yes. Alright, number 4. Ryan.
Here's Edge.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. You could be angry. Alright, number 5.
Yeah.
What? Come on, go on.
Final Fantasy.
Yes.
Woo, yeah.
Really retro are games that came out before the Nintendo.
Well, there you go.
Alright.
It's gonna be hard, actually.
Number 1.
Galaga.
Yep. There you go. Good job.
Shit, Yar's Revenge?
Damn.
We can get the good part of the song.
That's it.
Number 3.
Okay. Miss Pac-Man?
Miss Pac-Man. Yeah. It is.
Nice.
I should play my own dance. Alright, number 4.
Oh, I know.
Here's 2. Arcade and Atari. I am not lying when I say that Journey Escape was my favorite Atari game.
Amazing.
Not that I know what things in, like pretzels that were like one more. Yes.
Damn. Jeez, look who I just spotted. Mad Dog and Scorpion. Or not Mad Dog and Scorpion, but Scorpion and what's his name? Blizzard. Yeah. Okay, I don't know how much of this you're going to be able to see. Yeah, when I was growing up, Pac-Man was fast like this. You know, you play the ones online now and he's all slow. But this is awesome right here. You can actually get away from the ghosts. I was going for 1600, but trying to beat the high score here. Might be able to do it, I don't know. When I was little, my dad used to have a pattern. He called it the pattern. That's kind of how I learned the word. And like, it always worked for him. Like, he could pass all the boards with it. And so you can just run circles around these guys now. Yeah, you probably can't see much there. Sorry about that. It's a camera pointing to the TV. It's a camcorder LP. Come on, get up here. Get up here, get up here, get up here, get up here, get up here. Come on. Oh, that's fine. That'll work. This is, in case I didn't mention, this is a tabletop Pac-Man. Got my Coke sitting on it and everything. Yeah, eventually these dots are going to stop working. That's going to be real fun. But yeah, we'll deal with that when the time comes. See what that is. 2,000, yeah. That's when the item that appears in the middle starts becoming like your best source of points. When you get to the 5,000 one. Just don't even worry about trying to get them now. Okay, here we go. Well, I had to get that one just to get him out of the way. Yeah, but see, it's so easy to get away because he actually moves fast. You know, the ones you play online now, like on arcade boss and stuff, they're all slow. Let's see what's going on here. Oh man, that's a bad glare. Holy crap. That must be what the ghost looks like without their shrouds. That's funny. Always get that thing now. There we go. Yeah, clean it up. Clean up the mess. Oh, they're slow again. Okay. Good. Go for 1600 then. Oh yeah. Jeez, we could be sitting here all day. Yes. Oh, go get him. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now I'll do this corner up here. Yeah, I don't know where to point the camera, so I'm just like pointing it in the general direction of where I'm playing. It's gonna make me lose in a second. I can't believe I haven't lost already. Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Whoa! Come on. There's a couple more down here. Go get him. Yeah, see how fast he is, though? It's easy to get all the ghosts when you can actually move. All the other ones, he runs the same speed as the ghosts, and it's like, ugh. Man, I tell you, this is my pattern, though. You pretty much come around this way. Well, it's a little different. Ooh, what's that? 3,000, whatever it is. Ugh. Yeah, I imagine they'd be a little bit slower there. It's getting bad, though. Like, they're getting tougher. Oh, holy crap. Oh, and you didn't see that just now. That was a close call. 3,000. Oh, holy jeez. They're all over the place up there. Let's give them a chance to come down here. Get that red one if you have to, because he's the meanie. I always picture him as like the leader of the ghosts. I'm surprised there's not a Facebook group about that. When I was a kid, the red guy was the leader of the ghosts. And 20,000 people like this. God, I love playing this and actually being able to move. I'm just not even going to bother with them. Yeah, I'm just going to eat them like they're any other dots. Star Fox. Yeah, this could be a whole like Let's Play video. Here's what this is. I'm Let's Playing at Magfest. There we go. Did we beat the high score yet? Oh, we're getting pretty close. Yeah. This maze, we might be able to do it. I'm going to go and get these over here. Just make sure they still work. Clean out one area. Oh, there's the key. 5,000, baby. I don't know what that sound is I keep hearing. They got a super... Oh, get it again. There it is, 5,000 again. That's your main source of points right now. There it is, beat the high score. You get 128,000. Jeez, what's happening now? He's running away. Okay, maybe I'll just turn this off and let you guys know what my score is when I finish up here. This is turning out to be pretty ridiculous. I can't believe I haven't died. Just sitting here holding the camera. Oh, they're slow again. Wow. Oh, crap. Oh, get the key, get the key. Get the key, man. This is insane. Oh, crap, I'm on it now. 200, 400. Nah, screw it. Why am I doing this? Why am I pointing a camera at this thing? It's so stupid. I just think I'm an idiot. This is huge points here, though. You might want to get this. Yeah, I got the high score on Galaga. It was like 300-something thousand, but the next day somebody had beaten it, so congratulations, whoever that was. Didn't bother to look at your name. I don't think it actually shows the high score list unless you've just played. So, okay, well, this is what I ended up with right here. Unfortunately, it's not going to let me put in my initials, which is really too bad. There's only one game on here right now that I have a high score in. It's Galaga. It's right out there. But there's Castlevania over there. I want to go play that. See over here we have Ice Climber. Something. See, these are all like vintage Nintendo stuff, man. This is crazy stuff. Over here we got Nintendo Play Choices. Super C. Oh, man. Yeah, I always wanted to do an LP of Super C. Rad Racer 2. Oh, my God. Frogger. Another seated down one there. Jumbo merchandise. Hey, another Galaga. This is not the one I played before. See, I got the little slots to put the money in. Oh, this one's different, huh? First ship at 50,000. Second ship at 150,000. I don't know. Yeah, but the one out here is the one I got the score on. Over here. This one right here. It's not gonna show us up. Oh, somebody beat that score too. Holy cow. Oh no, it's copyrighted music. I might get my account suspended. How do I do this? Here, we'll play with one hand. Let's play Galaga with one hand. Yeah, let's see how we do. See, I'm actually literally using one hand, the joystick and the fire button. Okay, here we go. Man, just always go for the ones at the top. That's what I always do. These bees are annoying. Oh, well, suicide, but we killed him. Stage 2, here we go. Yeah, oh boy. Bam, that's 2 for 2. Alright. Yeah, move away. There we go. Maybe we can at least get to the bonus round. I don't think so, though. Round 2 is already dangerous here. Give myself carpal tunnel syndrome or something here. Okay, here we go. Yeah. Oh, whoa. Easy does it. Whoa, holy crap. See, this is what I should have been doing all along, man. Yeah, what would it be? It wouldn't be an NCS LP without a burp, right? Get some more toilet paper. People must think I'm crazy. Standing over here talking about toilet paper while I play Galaga. Yep. You know, in the bathroom. Oh, it's too much. It's too much, man. No. Die. Would you die? Oh, yes, we get to go to the bonus round. Yay. Okay, here's how I use this right here. Oh, crap. You gotta get the rhythm just right with that. Oh, right there. No, over. Ah. Crap, okay, it's right about here. Damn it, I got that all wrong. You get like really good points if you get all of them. Crap. Well, that sucked. Oh well. If you get all four, you get 10,000. Yes. Here, let's go and die. See if it'll show us the high score table. See if I haven't knocked off of there yet. I had to put new batteries in this thing. Wow, yeah, 43.8%. That's what you get for playing with one hand. Oh, it's not going to show the high score table? Damn. How do you get it to show that? I don't know when I'm on there. I guess you have to get in the high scores to actually see them. I don't know. That's too bad. I was hoping just anybody who walked by would see it there, but... Oh well. Okay.